afternoon, teachers! We are going to start this meeting out, just like we do every week, with shout-outs. So, I'm looking for a teacher out there that's got a shout-out. Oh, there's one. Everybody say, Miss Gonzalez!
Miss Gonzalez!
Say that, Miss Gonzalez!
Miss Gonzalez!
Hi, I want to shout out a teacher who has built amazing relationships with their students, and you see it every day in their class. The teacher I want to shout out is Marissa Iafonte. Let's give her a roller coaster in 3, 2, 1.
One! All right, let's see. We got another shout out there. I think we do. Oh, here we go. Everybody say SSN.
SSN!
Do it again. Say SSN.
SSN!
We want to give a shout out to an amazing teacher who has stepped into a difficult role with grace and perseverance. That teacher is Monica Gray.
Let's give her a jump on it in
3, 2, 1.
One. Da, 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 da. Miss Gray, jump on it. Jump on it. Jump on it. Again. Everybody do it again. Da, 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 da. Miss Gray, jump on it. Jump on it. Jump on it. Oh, wait. Shh. We got time for one. We got time for one more shout out. I see a teacher out there. That's Twiggle. Everybody say Twiggle.
Twiggle!
Say Twiggle.
Twiggle!
Okay.
This teacher is extremely talented as an artist and a teacher. They know how to identify strengths of their students and keep them motivated and interested. This wonderful teacher is Andy Taylor. Let's give him a jalapeno cheer in 3, 2, 1.
One. Thank you so much for participating in shout-outs this week. I want to give a shout-out to my 3rd grade class, Miss Hillman's class. I'm going to give you guys a jalapeno. You guys want to give yourself a jalapeno?
Yeah!
Give yourselves a jalapeno in 3, 2, 1.